Hey, this is Ronald, and I was looking for free online drum machines to use when I tab out songs on my bass guitar and other instruments. For example, here are two songs that I did using drumbit.io and drumbit. But also just to drop some beats. And here are a few you can check out if you're looking for the same thing. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to give you a few samples of the four that I am demoing now, but let me know what you think. I actually downloaded all of their demos and played around with them. Now I'm going to show you how to use these drum machines and then just give you a sample of what they offer, show you what they offer, and then you can just try them out for yourself. We'll start with drumbit.app. And when you go over here, there's some options over here, and these are different kits. So if I pick a demo, I can also change the kit, the beats per minute, and other things. So you can just check that out. But if I just went and clicked on rock, I can stop that there, play it, record it, and do some things with it. But then I can also bring in different beats with it. For the smooth operator, I use Bossa Nova. Then if I jump over here to drummy.io, you'll see this. And these are the demos you can check out. If I go to ballad, that's what it looks like. Press play. Change the beats per minute. Again, there are options up here as well. Virtual drumming looks like this. Scroll down. Play for free. Demo. Beats per minute are right here. And lastly, we have MUSICCA. And make sure you have this link correct. Otherwise, you'll go to this website. And here you have hi-hats and different options. So this is different from the other three. Here's your beats per minute. You have settings there, your time signature, clear it, beats. And then here are your different demos. Might just play that. So there you go. That gives you an idea at least of what some of these applications can do. As you can see, they're all free. You don't have to download anything, and you can pretty much create your own beats, the whole 9 yards. And there are more out there. So if you guys know of any, please link them below. Let us know. And if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And until we meet again, have a great and musical day. Peace.